Hello friends, back again on your boy channel. There are a lot of toys here. Whoa, there are so many toys, friends, and colorful. Okay guys, behind me there are 3 trucks which are very cool. There is a yellow color, there is a red color, and also a purple color. Let's take the first toy. But before continuing, click subscribe and like the video. There is also a toy racing horse here. This racing horse is brown in color. We take it again. Wow, and look, this car is a fire engine. We take it again. Whoa, there is an excavator car. This car is orange in color. He's very big, isn't he? We take it again. Whoa, and this is a police motorcycle toy. We take it again. Whoa, there's a toy bus. This bus is named Laney. This Laney is a friend of the Tayo. Wow, cool. We take it again. Whoa, there is a car transporting animals from the zoo. Look guys, here there is a caterpillar toy. This caterpillar toy is green in color. We take it again. Whoa, and now there is an ATP motor. This ATP motor is very cool. We take it again. Look guys, and it turns out that this is a white racing car. Yep guys, the yellow truck is full. Now it's time to move on to the purple truck. We take it again. And the toy here is a dinosaur, and its name is Stegosaurus. We take it again. There was a camel carrying a lot of goods, and he was sitting... We take it again. And we found a truck carrying sand. We take it again. Whoa, and here we find a toy dragon animal. This dragon animal is red, guys. We take it again. Look, guys, here is a blue Tayo bus car toy. His name is the Tayo. He is very cool. We take it again. Okay, guys, here there is a Biko car toy. This Biko car is yellow in color. We take it again. Okay, guys, here's a toy horse. Whoa, he is yellow in color. We take it again. Wow. It turns out that this is an Avanza car belonging to Basarnas. And look, his purple truck is full of toys. We take it again. This truck 4 is a Bach truck. We take it again. Look, guys, here there is a plane, and this is a helicopter plane. This helicopter plane is yellow in color. We take it again. Whoa, this one is the Millipede Caterpillar's toy. We take it again. Whoa, here there is a black toy car, which is a police car. We take it again. And we found a truck carrying sand. We take it again. There are toys, snow removal cars. We take it again. Whoa, there's a car, trailer box. We take it again. There was a camel carrying a lot of goods, and he was sitting... And look, guys, all the toys are in the truck. And let's take it home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you next video. Goodbye, friends.